Hello once again. Now I'm coming back for updating you about the news today. As we have listened or have seen today, there is an incident, very serious accident in the city of Munich in the country of Germany. As we have said and based on reporters from the AP and the Fax magazine, it has confirmed that today a driver drove a car into a union demonstration in central Munich on Thursday, injuring at least 30 people, including children, authorities said. The authority said that it was believed to be an attack, and the suspect, an Afghan asylum seeker, was arrested. Participants in the demonstration by the Service Workers Union were walking along a street near downtown Munich at about 10:30 a.m. when the car overtook a police vehicle. Following the gathering, accelerated and plowed into back of the group. Officers arrested the suspect after firing a shot at the car. Deputy Police Chief Christian Haber said that. He added that at least 20 people were believed to be injured, some of them seriously. A damaged Mini could be seen at the scene, along with debris including shoes in the road. The suspect was a 24-year-old Afghan asylum seeker, Hab said. It is suspected to be an attack. A road point to that, Bavarian Governor Markus Söder told to the reporters at the scene. At the incident follows a series of attacks involving immigrants in recent months that have pushed migration to the forefront of the campaign for Germany's Feb 23 election. Most recently, a 2-year-old boy and another person were killed in an earth attack in Aschaffenburg, also in the city of Bavaria. Let us be union, let us be comfortable, let us be ready to share and to send the comfortable word to the country of Germany, and especially for those who were passed away and those who were survivors from this accident. Sorry for this bad action, and we hope to be united as one. Thank you, and I encourage you to make a subscribe for this channel, and we wish you all the best where you are. Thank you to be with us.